Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix clicking on desktop wallpaper not showing the desktop on Mac. So if you click on the empty area of your desktop wallpaper but it no longer reveal your desktop, the feature may simply be configured to work only in Stage Manager. macOS include a setting that control when click on wallpaper should show the desktop. If it is set to only Stage Manager, clicking the wallpaper won't do anything during normal desktop use, which often make users think that this feature is stopped working. But the good news is that you can easily change this behavior. So clicking the wallpaper always show the desktop whether Stage Manager is enabled or not. So to change this setting, first click on the Apple logo and choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, go to Desktop and Dock. And now here, enable the toggle right to click wallpaper to show desktop. And here you will see two different options, always and only in Stage Manager. Change it to always and now close system settings. And from now on, whenever you click to the empty area of your wallpaper, it will reveal the desktop completely. Your open window should immediately move aside, allowing you to access your desktop, drag files to any window. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.